Hi, welcome to the Where's Heidi show starring me, your host, Heidi Schrock. I'll be highlighting fun, unique things to do around Southwest Florida. So sit back, relax, and come join the flock. Heidi Schrock, Remax Palm. So, where is Heidi today? Hey there, big guy.
Oh my gosh,
Hi.
I have algae.
Oh,
Baby.
What's up, dude?
One of these was found in our neighborhood,
a big giant one?
like this week.
Oh my goodness.
So Florida Fish and Wildlife were coming.
Oh, that's cool.
What animals do we have here that are going extinct? We actually have in our reptile house, which just opened up again, a critically endangered species of tarantula. It's called a Ramaschmorma ornamental tarantula.
Oh.
He's in our reptile house, and it's really cool. We actually have a male and a female pair, so we're actually hoping for a little bit of positive reinforcement there on that one. So hopefully we can get into helping those guys get back to full health out in the wild. So yeah, check those guys out. Other than that, we don't have too many. Flamingos are a protected species, but here in Florida they are very, very hard to find. They were once here a lot more in the Caribbean as well too. Now mainly they're found more down in Africa, so they're not usually here.
Oh.
All right, you have a question for me?
What's your oldest animal here?
Our oldest animal in the park, his name is Frosty Sr., and he is a sulfur-crested cockatoo. You guys have probably seen him today, and you can check him out at any time. Yep, he is 81 years old. He is a very famous cockatoo. He's actually been on the Ed Sullivan Show. That's what made him so famous.
Oh.
Yeah, so back a while ago, he actually was a Folsom prison inmate. He actually lived in the Folsom prison and was actually part of the bird training program that helped cut back on inmate aggression. Oh, we got some visitors. Oh, look.
Oh.
How are you?
Bye-bye.
Ethan, what's your question?
Hang over here.
Oh, if like can flamingos swim? If it like
Can flamingos swim? Yeah, actually they can. Now it looks really funny. They have really long legs, so it's got to be some pretty deep water, but yeah, they can swim. Most of the time they just like to take baths. They're more of a terrestrial bird, so more of a bird that likes to live on the land, but they do a lot of their reproduction, they do a lot of their feeding in the water, and most of the time they like to sleep in the water too. These guys here are sleeping outside getting a little bit of sun, but most of the time they'll like to sleep in the water. It's very protected for them, but they don't like to swim too much. Not like ducks do. They're more like, they like to take baths in the water.
What is a flock of flamingos called?
A flamingo, I'm pretty sure. It's a flamingo. Just kind of like the
Tango?
like the tango, yeah. And
I read that it could possibly be a flamboyance.
yeah, a flamboyance of flamingos.
Is it?
Yes.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. How much does a flamingo weigh?
How much is it? Oh, actually, very, very light. You could actually probably pick one of these birds up with your hand, just one hand.
Really?
Yeah, these guys
So
are very,
they're
very
not-
light. They're all, so birds have different bones than we do.
Okay.
They actually have hollow bones. So unlike our thick bones, their bones are like straws. So it's another reason why they don't like to be touched. We actually, when we touch them, it actually is a lot more, a little painful to them than we think it is. Yeah. So you could easily pick one of these guys up with just one hand. Maybe 3 pounds for a big bird.
Okay.
Very, very light.
Okay. Now, can you tell us a little bit different? You had told me inside about their numbers.
Yeah, everybody's got a different number here. So they are a government protected bird,
Okay.
which means we do take care of making sure, you know, we know the identification of every single one of these guys as well. So everybody's got a little number tag on them. We got 15 here and we got 31 right here, and they all have identification names with them too. Now, I don't know all of the names off the top of my head, but I do know a couple of them, like 38, Kazi, who is our rogue flamingo who likes to travel. He is a very popular flamingo too, so you'll probably get a little bit of action with him today as well.
Cool.
And then do they mate for life?
If they have a successful mating, they are typically monogamous. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I just wondered because they're kind of grouped together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's right. Isn't that cool?
It
yeah,
is.
So they'll primarily be monogamous if they do actually pick their pair.
Okay.
Excellent.
Isn't it cool?
It is.
3 pairs.
Yeah, you literally
This
do.
guy right here, I do know his name. He's number 20. His name is Oren. Oren actually, so these guys can actually have very similar malfunctions to their bodies the same way that we can have them to ours. Oren, when you see him pick his head up, he actually has a cleft palate. So how people can be born with a cleft palate and missing a part of their lip, he actually is missing a part of his beak. So he was born that way it's very similar to the way we have a cleft palate. So it's pretty cool, yeah. It's on this far side of him on the left side. So he's not showing it off right now, but his name is Oren. Can you see a little bit
I
over
can,
there?
yeah.
Maybe if he turns his head, you can see some more.
I can. Oh, yeah.
Tucks it back in, sleeping.
That's how they sleep. I finally found somebody my own height.
Oh, here he comes, giving you a little attention.
Hi. Hi. No?
What is that?
So when these guys eat, so actually when you see these guys in the water, if they are finding their natural diet, what they're actually going to do with their webbed feet and their long legs, they're actually going to stomp on the ground in the mud. And what they're going to do is bring all of the particles from the mud up, and then they're filter feeders if you ever see their beaks. So he's going to open it up underwater, just like what she was asking if they can hold their breath. He's going to open his head up underwater and filter through all that stuff that he just picked up, and then that's how he's going to eat.
Thanks for joining me on this adventure through Jungle Gardens. So until next time, hang with the flock, Heidi Schrock, Remax Palm, and make sure to show some love in the comments and of course, liking and sharing this page. Thanks guys, talk to you later.